I've picked up this accessories rail just to give me a bit more space around the dashboard, save me connecting everything to the handlebars. Good old cheap eBay parts, no instructions again. We've got 2 side rails, two bars, four bolts, 4 washers. Right, so offering the bracket up, it looks like we're using this bolt down here. And we're using this bolt that this bracket bolts into the clocks on. Not this front one, but the one behind it, just here. First things first, I guess we're taking the screen off. So these 2 front ones are 5mm with an 8mm bolt on the back. And these back ones are also 5mm as well. And we also have to do the indicator ones. So now we've got that out of the way, we can get to these 2 screws, one under here and one under here, which are also 5mm. Whoa, they're a bit tighter. Just watch at the back there. It's holding another back of the bracket again, so that we don't lose that. I think we might go one side at a time. Right, I think this is an either or setup, so you either go for the fat one or you go for the thin one. Well, that gives you 4 bolts. So unless that one at the bottom is just an extra brace bar, which is likely. So again, we'll just do that finger tight for now. I think we'll put this bottom one in as a brace. I'm going to put that right at the bottom all the way. I don't think I'm going to use it for anything, and I don't want it to foul anything that I want to attach onto there. So that looks like that is definitely where it goes, so we'll firm these bottom ones right up now as well. Bring the screen back in. And that there is it fitted and done.